Looking for quality Makita tools without breaking the bank? In this video, we're checking out some of the best Makita gear you can grab for under $50. So let's get started. Makita ImpactX. The Makita ImpactX features precision machine tips with superior fitment for full contact and longer life. It is built with performance-optimized S2 steel construction for extended durability and undergoes a calibrated heat treating process for added strength. A manganese phosphate surface provides advanced corrosion resistance, and the optimal geometry ensures an ideal fit with improved holding power. The price is $50. L.E.D flashlight. The Makita L.E.D flashlight is a durable and efficient lighting tool made from high-quality plastic, featuring a sleek blue and black design. It offers reliable LED illumination, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Compact and lightweight, the flashlight is easy to handle and built to withstand regular use. Priced at $32, it reflects Makita's reputation for dependable performance and quality. Inflator MP100D. The Makita MP100D 12-volt cordless inflator is a compact and reliable tool for inflating tires, sports balls, and more. It features an auto-stop function, digital pressure gauge with backlight, and built-in overheat protection. Valve adapters store neatly on the unit, and the auto power-off switch prevents accidental starts. Lightweight and cordless for easy transport, it's perfect for home, travel, or roadside emergencies. Priced at $50, it offers convenience and performance in one. Battery platform. The Makita 18 volts LXT lithium-ion 3-ampere battery offers efficient, fast-charging power with a full charge reached in 30 minutes or less. Designed for durability, it features an impact-resistant case and shock-absorbing liner for added protection. The built-in LED charge level indicator helps monitor battery status, and it's compatible only with Makita 18 volts tools that have a star symbol or yellow battery receiver. Priced at $50, it's a reliable power solution for Makita users. DF001DW. The Makita DF001DW is a compact and versatile cordless screwdriver designed for convenience in tight spaces. It features both straight and pistol grip positions for comfortable use, along with a built-in LED job light and forward-reverse switch. With a maximum torque of 6.0 Newton meters, it's powerful enough for everyday fastening tasks. The built-in rechargeable battery is protected by a safety circuit, and the tool includes a micro USB AC adapter and an 81-piece bit set. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's priced at $49.65. MAKPAC Interlocking Toolcase System. The MAKPAC Interlocking Toolcase System offers a durable and customizable solution for transporting tools and accessories. Designed with 4 secure connection latches, the cases stack easily for safe travel between the workshop and job site. With options for undivided storage or cases with drawers, trays, and dividers, it's ideal for organizing everything from power tools to small items like screws and zip ties. Priced at $8.99, it's a practical choice for efficient tool management. Makita Impact XPS. The Makita Impact XPS bit set is built for maximum durability and performance, lasting up to 100 times longer than standard impact bits. Designed to handle the power of high-torque impact drivers, each bit features precision machine tips for a superior fit, torque-absorbing shoulder rings, and an optimized torsion zone. Made from high-quality steel, these bits deliver improved holding power and extended life. Priced at $52, it's a premium choice for demanding fastening tasks. Impact Driver Kit. The Makita 12 volts Max CXT cordless Impact Driver Kit combines power and compact design for efficient fastening in tight spaces. Weighing just 2.3 pounds with its 2.0 ampere battery, it delivers up to 970 inches per pound of torque. The kit includes 2 slide-style batteries with built-in LED charge indicators for improved balance and convenience. It features a battery protection circuit to prevent overload, over-discharge, and overheating. Priced at $68, it's a powerful yet lightweight solution for various driving tasks. Makita CF100DZ Fan. The Makita CF100DZ is a compact 12 volts cordless fan with 3 speeds and oscillation for customizable airflow. It offers long run times with 2.0 amp hours or 4.0 amp hours batteries and features tilt settings plus an adjustable hook for easy use. Built-in battery protection ensures safe operation. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for painters, contractors, and outdoor work. Its efficient design provides reliable cooling wherever you need it. Priced at $56.20, it combines convenience and performance in a compact package. 6-point impact socket set. The 6-point impact socket set is designed for use with impact drivers and wrenches, offering high strength to handle extreme torque applications. Made from heat-treated alloy steel, These sockets ensure durability and reliable performance. The 6-point design provides a secure grip on fasteners, reducing the risk of rounding. Compact and versatile, this set is perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Priced at $19.95, it's a great addition for heavy-duty fastening tasks. Makita L.E.D flashlight. The L.E.D flashlight is perfect for lighting up the outdoors with 3 versatile lighting modes: 360-degree lantern, 180-degree lantern, and flashlight. It delivers up to 710 lumens in full lantern mode, 340 lumens in half lantern mode, and 130 lumens as a flashlight. The adjustable lighting lets you choose between illuminating a wide area or focusing on a specific spot. Priced at $49.90. Cordless blower. The cordless blower, priced at $42.99, features built-in low-voltage and overcurrent protection to safeguard your Makita batteries. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor reaching up to 18,000 RPM, it delivers strong, efficient operation with extended motor life. With 6 adjustable speeds, it's ideal for a wide range of indoor and outdoor tasks. Impact driver. The Makita Impact Driver Kit, priced at $68, delivers up to 970 inches per pound of max torque with variable speed settings for versatile fastening tasks. Its compact 6-inch design and rubberized soft grip handle offer enhanced comfort and control. The 12-volt slide-style battery allows the tool to stand upright, adding convenience on the job. Ideal for tight spaces and overhead work, it's lightweight yet powerful. Paddle angle grinder. The paddle angle grinder, priced at $60, features a powerful 6.0 AMP motor that delivers 11,000 RPM for tough grinding tasks. Weighing only 3.7 pounds, its compact design helps reduce operator fatigue during extended use. Labyrinth construction seals the motor and bearings from dust and debris, ensuring longer tool life and reliable performance. Makita Jig Saw. The Makita Jig Saw, priced at $55.99, features a variable speed motor delivering up to 2,900 strokes per minute for precise cutting performance. With 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting, it's ideal for a variety of materials and applications. Its compact 9 1/8-inch design and lightweight 3.8-pound build reduce operator fatigue. A built-in dust port allows for efficient dust collection when used with a vacuum, keeping the workspace clean and clear. Finishing sander. The Makita Finishing Sander, priced at $61.99, is powered by a 2.0 amp motor, delivering 14,000 OPM for smooth, efficient sanding. It features all ball bearing construction to reduce noise and vibration, making it easier to handle. The rubberized contoured palm grip provides a secure and comfortable hold, while a large clamping lever allows for quick and easy paper changes. Makita Cyclonic Vacuum Attachment. The Makita Cyclonic Vacuum Attachment, priced at $44.93, uses powerful cyclonic action to capture up to 90% of dust particles before they reach the main canister or dust bag. This reduces the need for frequent emptying by up to 84% and helps extend filter life. It features a one-touch release for quick debris disposal and a secure click system for easy attachment to your vacuum. Bluetooth Jobsite Radio and Speaker. The Makita Bluetooth Jobsite Radio and Speaker, priced at $54.96, delivers rich stereo sound through 2 front-facing speakers and runs up to 30 hours on a 12-volt battery. Compact and portable at only 1.7 pounds, it features a rotating hook for easy hanging and 10 preset FM/AM buttons for convenience. With an auxiliary port for MP3/iPod use, an earphone jack for private listening, and a digital tuner with LCD display, it's a versatile and durable audio companion for any job site. Multi-cutter. The Makita 12-Volt Max CXT multi-cutter, priced at $60.47, is a compact cordless tool for cutting cardboard, carpet, leather, rubber, and more. It features a self-sharpening blade, 1/4-inch cutting capacity, and a 300 RPM motor. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, it offers easy handling with a built-in lock-on lever for safety. Ideal for precise, efficient cuts in a variety of materials. Orbital Sander. The Makita 5-inch Orbital Sander, priced at $59, delivers fast, smooth sanding with a powerful 3-amp motor and 12,000 OPM. Its 1/8-inch random orbit action ensures a swirl-free finish, while the rubberized palm grip provides comfort and control. Features include a pad control system for smooth startup, efficient dust collection, and a durable all-ball bearing design, ideal for woodworkers and finish carpenters. That wraps up our look at budget-friendly Makita tools. If you found something useful, give us a like and subscribe for more tool tips and reviews.